Welcome to our video, where I will show you 10 benefits of guava leaves that everyone should know. Let's get into it, shall we? Guava leaves are packed with vitamin A and C, and in this video, I will show you 10 ways to use them to improve your health. Number 1. A weight loss aid. Guava leaves help prevent complex carbohydrates from turning into sugars that are known for stimulating food cravings and excess weight gain. This is why it can help with your weight loss goals. Just include freshly brewed tea made from guava leaves every day in your sensible eating plan. Number 2. Soothing gastrointestinal issues. While the leaves have antibacterial properties that help prevent further microbial growth in the intestines and make the area more alkaline, they also reduce the production of extra mucus that can irritate the digestive system. This is why guava leaves are useful in treating problems like gastroenteritis and diarrhea. Number 3. Reducing the effects of diabetes. Guava leaves lower the body's glucose levels and create a rise in insulin levels. In a study of people with type 2 diabetes, those who drank guava leaf tea with every meal for 12 weeks had lower fasting blood sugar levels than before they started drinking the tea. Number 4. Help in treating colds. Not just colds, but more serious respiratory illnesses such as bronchitis. Guava leaves can be helpful if you've got a cold because the high levels of vitamin C and iron in this unripe tropical fruit help reduce mucus production and prevent the spread of microbial activity. Number 5. Reduction in the side effects of allergies. By halting the creation of histamine, guava leaf can be extremely effective in reducing allergy symptoms. They can also be a welcome formula for minimizing the swelling of insect bites. Number 6. Fighting diseases like cancer due to its high quantities of antioxidant lycopene. Guava leaves can help fight cancer, especially breast, prostate, and oral cancers. Research also reveals that guava extract helps inhibit the production of androgen, the male hormone that is responsible for promoting the growth of prostate cancer cells. Number 7. Controlling blood pressure. While the leaves are known to help control blood pressure and promote a fluid blood flow throughout the body, the high fiber content and hypoglycemic nature are both known to be contributing factors to combating an elevated blood sugar level. Number 8. Guava leaves can help prevent hair loss. Guava leaves can be boiled and massaged into the scalp to put a stop to hair loss. Just make sure the water is cool to the touch before applying it to the scalp. Number 9. Improve thyroid function. The leaves assist in maintaining a healthy thyroid due to their high levels of copper. The thyroid gland is one of the most crucial glands in regulating hormone levels and proper organ function. Copper helps with making sure the thyroid is maintaining a regular amount of hormone production and absorption throughout the body. Number 10. Brain health. Guava leaves promote brain health due to high levels of vitamin B3, niacin, and B6. Niacin is known to help with increased blood flow, along with improved cognitive function and focus. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.